Hi, I'm Asia Aranaki of Kyoto University. Let me introduce MedNLPDoc. So, MedNLPDoc background is here. So, medical records could be a rich information resource, but medical NLP in Japan is not so powerful, consisting of very small community compared to overseas countries such as EU or US. So, we MedNLP aims to twofolds. We aims to improve language processing techniques in medicine, especially in Japanese. Another, also we aims to build community who are interested in medical field. So the input is medical record, the output is better clinical solutions. We divide this process into 4 sub-processes. So the first one is identify privacy information and remove them. Then system finds the disease then. Then the system normalizes. And this NTCIR-12 target on the final task, so provide some kind of decision support. So this slide shows more concrete example. So given a text, so MedNLP1, so remove privacy information or date time information or disease name, and MedNLP2 classified into disease name into some disease category represented by ICD code. And now MedNLP3, or we call MedNLPDoc, our goal is output the final diagnosis, final decision. Why we call this task MedNLPDoc? MedNLPDoc is double meaning. So one is this task handles a document. So we call NLPDoc. And another reason is so this task is very similar to a task for medical doctors. So we call this task MedNLPDoc. For material, we are preparing this textbook, ICD coding training book. So this textbook is basically for health information manager, that is called 診療情報管理士 in Japanese. So I think this task is also similar to task of health information manager because usually doctor meet a patient, usually face-to-face meeting, and then the doctor decides the final decision and also write a medical record. But for computer cannot read the real patient, so computer also handle with health record. So the input is health record, then the system outputs the disease name. So this task setting is very similar to 診療情報管理士, so we use our material, we use this textbook as our materials. So let's try several examples. Given such a text, the system, this task goal is how to put such a code, because a primary disease name is this part. So system give this code for this record. Let's try another examples. So actually this patient suffers from many diseases. In such a case, a system has to add such a multiple code, as you can see here. So what is this task is here? So I think very potentially various approach could be available for this task. So some people think this task as a kind of knowledge labeling task for a document, but this task has very large label space, more than 20,000 labels. Another approach is a kind of document similarity approach. So find similar document and use their code. as is this. In this approach, so some kind of K-means approach or some kind of document similarity measure could be useful. Another approach is rule-based approach. So we have to handle such a large labeling space, such a difficult task. So rule-based approach might still competitive to machine learning approach. And I'm also looking forward to see your idea. So to get detailed information, please Google MedNLPDoc, and you can see this page. And thank you.